All right, final thoughts for the week. Final thoughts for 2 weeks before I see you again on June 20th. Oh, hang on. I didn't drop that in the Discord real quick. Of course, like I mentioned here earlier, this is all 10 trades. Just what is the word I'm trying to think of? This is not weighted the same as the trades that I actually have on. This is equal weighting, just showing what the results would have been. Equal weighting, 42% gain on equal weighting there, which is crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so 6/9/23, trade number 1, closed, SPY. Sorry, I should have done this a minute ago. SPY, 6/30/23, 420 calls for 11.75. So I'm at all cash right now. Okay, done with that. Now, back to this. I brought this up because so many people talk about market sentiment. That's the word I'm thinking of. And what the news is saying. And, you know, this website or that website. And this account, I love this account, Arun Chopra. And I saw this and I was like, this is good. You know, at this point right here, Bank of America sees new lows for U.S. stocks. The inflation shock ain't over. At this point right here, Bank of America sees rally fizzling out even as equity surge inflows. Equity inflow surge. I cannot read today, apparently. And then lastly, Bank of America, boom, 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 says the bear market is over, right? Now, do you trade on that? Clearly not. But you got to wait and see your personal entry and exit signals. So what does this mean, right? Looking at this guy, like in the corner he's talking about, he's like, maybe I should do the opposite. But you don't have to worry about that kind of stuff, right? You don't have to worry about the noise. You don't have to worry about who's saying what analyst is going where. All you got to worry about is price. Is it moving in the direction you want it to see? Is it hitting your entry signal? Is it hitting your exit signal? And your job, most of all, is don't do anything until you get those signals. Sit and let the trend work for you. Or if you're getting that exit signal, get the F out now. That's what you got to do. Wait for your signals and move and ignore all of the noise. Brian asks, when will the finalized new process be documented? Well, as I mentioned, Brian, I just made some changes today. So I believe maybe July. The reason that I'm not ready to just commit whole hog is I need to see variables, right? Like we saw yesterday, closing those out because we couldn't roll up and out is now part of the plan. Because there's a lot of time. Let me see if I can find some recent ones I was looking at. There's some trades that are just dead money. Recently viewed. There's some that are just dead money. Nothing happening, right? Let's see. Like this one, this is a great example. 30 days. 30 days goes by, and while it was a loser, it was only 12 cents. Right? I mean, 30 days goes by. I need to see something happening. If I can't roll up and out, I'm not going to hold on to it for another 27 days or whatever the case is, right? So we need to see movement happening. Or like this one, right? 89 cents over 25 days. If I can't roll up and out, it's not got enough movement to it in order to keep it on. And that was something I needed to work through and see so I could document a process with that, because everything needs to be rules-based, as you know. And we're getting really close to that point. I do think, talking to Jorn, also talking to my friend Michael Moth, we might be changing up position sizing a little bit on these because the risk is a little bit less defined. And because the risk is a little bit less defined, I don't want to be over risking anything. So might be changing up position sizing a little bit on that, but that's okay. So Brian, great question. Okay, so final reminder, as you could have definitely not noticed from the bottom of the screen, we will be closed until Tuesday, June 20th. Next week, I'm out on the beach. Monday, the market is closed. Monday, the 19th, the market is closed. Otherwise, I'll see you right back here Tuesday, June 20th at 3:15 Eastern time, like usual. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic week. And I have no trades on right now. So unless something's on your mind, we don't have to even text each other on Discord. But if you do, I'll be there for you. Have a fantastic week. And I'll see you right back again on June 20th. Talk soon.